Good morning, students. In my previous class, we have solved some question and answer of chapter number 4 of our English course book, that is Saving Dory. We have already solved question number 5 of B. Today we are going to solve last question of question number B, that means question number 6, and the question is, what was the fate of the turtle? What was the fate of the turtle which were bought as pets after the popularity of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle? When I taught you this chapter, I described a film, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, which was a series of comic books based film about a group of pizza loving turtles were released. Any film on animals that was made earlier is only based on how people save our natural things. They may be animal, plants, environment, etc. But the effect of those films were sometimes opposite. And that is happened here also. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle were made to explain about turtle, to explain their nature, their livelihood, but the effect is opposite. And after that film, many people were come together to take turtle as a pet, but this is not succeed. So your question is, what was the fate of the turtle which were bought as a pet after the popularity of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle? Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle की सफलता के बाद टर्टल का क्या भविष्य था पालतू जानवर के रूप में? ओके, दिस इज नॉट गुड. After that film, after popularity of that film, many people took turtle for their aquarium, but soon after they got bored हो गए वो लोग, क्योंकि उसमें उनको कुछ अच्छाई, कुछ खूबसूरती नहीं दिखा, वो बोर हो गए. एंड आफ्टर दैट they just flushed away those turtle in their habitat means seas, lake, wherever they took. मतलब उनको टर्टल तो उन्होंने पाल लिया फिल्म की सफलता के बाद, लेकिन उस टर्टल में उनको कोई खुशी नहीं हुई पालने में और वो बोर होने लगे। नतीजा ये हुआ कि सारे लोग करीब करीब टर्टल को ले जा करके उसके सही जगह पे समुद्र, नदी, सब जगह जहां उनको मौका मिला वहां उन्होंने फिर तुरंत छोड़ दिया। That is the completion of your question number B. Now we will see grammar section of this chapter, and in grammar section question number A is based on tense. They are given some lines and we have to fill up with verb given in the bracket in the simple past tense. Now the first one is my father, verb buy a pet dog for us last month. When I taught you tense, I have taught present tense, past tense and future tense. In present tense, I taught simple present, present continuous, present perfect. Similarly, in past, simple past, past continuous and past perfect, and also in future, simple future, future continuous and future perfect. Here your question is based on simple past. As you know, the structure of simple past tense is subject plus second form of verb plus object. So this is too easy to solve. Whatever verb given in the bracket, you just fill up with its second form of buy, bought. Second one is go, second form is went. Pay, paid. Visit, visited. Tell, told. Bring, brought. Cut, cut. Fly, fled. You have only fill up with the second form of those verbs. Buy, go, pay, visit, tell, bring, cut, fly. I hope you will understand how you can solve question number A. Now, question number B is based on adjective. I have also taught you adjective. And kinds of adjective. If you remember, an adjective was an adjective is a word which tell us something about noun, pronoun, In another word, an adjective is a describing word. संज्ञा या सर्वनाम की जो विशेषता बताए उसे हम एडजेक्टिव कहते हैं. Ram is fat. Here, राम की क्या विशेषता है? वह मोटा है. So, fat is an adjective. कुआं गहरा है. The well is deep. क्या विशेषता है कुएं की? वह गहरा है. गहरा, adjective, deep. So, in question number B, some sentence have been given and you have to underline adjective in it. First one is, it was a cloudy and windy day. It was a cloudy and windy day. यह कैसा दिन था? क्लाउडी था और विंडी था. दिन की विशेषता क्या है? क्लाउडी, windy. So in this sentence, cloudy, windy are adjectives. In second line, London has very cold and wet. London had very cold and wet winters. लंदन में जाड़े का मौसम कैसा होता है? बहुत ठंड और वेट, नमी वाला होता है, भीगा भीगा सा. ड्यू, ओस, फॉग, कोहरा, वेट, कोल्ड, काफी ठंड. तो लंदन में जाड़े की विशेषता क्या है? वहां का दिन कैसा होता है? कोल्ड, वेट. तो इन दिस सेंटेंस एडजेक्टिव्स आर कोल्ड, वेट. In third line, I read a long and interesting adventure novel. In this sentence, interesting and long are adjectives. So, I hope you will solve rest of the questions by your own. And the next part of this chapter is apostrophe. How can we put apostrophe this topic we will read in our next class. In our next class, we will read apostrophe and another chapter also. Thank you.